I want to tell you so. Breaking news, update. Wake up, wake up, wake up. You dey sleep, wake up. Come and hear update. The reason be say, they call Okpame. Now Mama Sharon no say, now Okpame, Sharon senior brother, now I supposed stand as a man to do his sister burial arrangement or burial whatsoever. Now Mama Sharon no, now they break. Now I made the one drag easy again. Come this matter. Now I made the drag easy. They start to the drag again. Before yesterday, Mama Sharon. They want do one maybe say, Mona listen update they come up. Make it be say, they will come they use easy name till they shout. They can't put life for easy here say, Okpame no go Sharon service of song. Now they see my eye, no worry, my eye no matter. The one come talk say Okpame no go Sharon service of song. The glad way they come talk way Sharon mama sister come talk way come say they come tell Okpame ready now may you they go your sister service of song. Okpame come say me they first go beg easy. Now lie that can't no happen. Una know the reason why they drag his Yengbe again. So that they go do this one, they will come they drag his Yengbe. His Yengbe will come use pepper body, come take they insult Okpame. His Yengbe will come use pepper body, take they insult Okpame will not do anything. You understand? His Yengbe no they tell Okpame anything. No they Okpame is a man of his own. You understand? So that his Yengbe will come use pepper body, take they insult Okpame. Okpame. Then the brother, the mama, Okpame mama, and Okpame mama sister, they'll come call Okpame. You don't see her now. Is Yengbe, you say now your friend. You don't see her now say Yengbe a bad person. You don't insult it for social media. You don't run from her. Oh yeah, come. Come do this one. See what's in there. My people, Sharon cannot be buried. Sharon, I know they remove her. Ije Sharon when I'm not Sharon, I'm not over Sharon. Now when I buy, wa ya your bobo. The time when they put easy picture, where everybody they call easy bad friend. Easy, Sharon mama, a meal busy who will not be Sharon, no not see easy your series. Easy your man. May you think if me as I your day so I get friend, the friend come by. My friend parents go come they drag me up and down. Will you like it as a family? You will not like it. Because Yahweh my people, the breaking news now be say Sharon cannot be buried. I said to him, Sharon, you talk. Do you know why? Because they never buried their papa. In my area. Is now this one make me talk and say, you see, Okpame, Mama Sharon, Okpame is your first son. Draw this boy near body. Make him stand as a man. Now, Okpame, the family of Okpame, say, they must do Sharon papa burial before they go bury Sharon. Una know na ile don't know. E Sharon, in my area. I hear mo Sharon, you to I hear hey. I'm where you talk about I hey. Egbemo bobo. Nothing. It means say automatically Sharon cannot be buried. Automatically. I beg, I go block you. I go just block you. As I your day so I don't send. I go just block you. You understand? Sharon cannot be buried. I said to Sharon yoto. Or si eni anari gwale Kenya. Ni la. Na meke na do mie we. Iya Okpame ni akasi kegbe. When Mama Sharon supposed draw near body because now Okpame be Sharon elder brother. Okpame not being be their papa senior son. They get Okpame gets senior brother from the papa side. And Sharon mama na and those ones, those step sons, they know they play. Okpame mama cannot carry phone take call they say, wala wo and now when you worry go me I bring money na to do na papa burial. Now Okpame na I go stand for Sharon mama side as a be say na him be first son for Sharon mama hand. Now Okpame, now he go stand. Bury papa. Even though say the rest of his brothers, they not do one. Okpame, they for the position to go meet the Okagbe, to go beg and say, Baba, bakin yawo now I worry now we twin. Now no na so they do for Bini. Now I work here you there move do once move made it for bury Sharon. Now Okpame and mama, they no dey in good things. Okpame when it time away. This one no be say the time when they tell they do sentiment. Okpame, this message goes to you. Emo bobo, since you a woman say ni am we bury ayo obo we or 20 kere na himudia. Nu vie ma me mo bo nu vie ma nu ya bu vie nu wa koko tare na ya we e me negbe Sharon e. Since you Okpame you we yo ya mo Sharon yo to we egbe ni ekere egbe ati egbe vi an se ti egbe dan ni akere. Since iya we Okpame we me gugwana ijuwe we umase iwe uwo wagbon ijuwe na wiye hin amu e Sharon yo to no da ijuwe we gbe ni ekere egbe no beri yen kekere egbe no bijin hin amomo yo to ijuwe na ona nyawe fo ona mega atare geni ina we ye Sharon yo Okpame mo bo kaka bo yin yen si ekegbe na we fi abota se mo nya wegun ubere enia ina kai asena dane. Since you a woman mase no mudia nu ya yo bo zero piano hin nu ya we ni negbo tun ni kebe ijo ewi yen kwe na ijo e okin do ati we ni we la wo Okpame awa se ti mo ijo yo to use sentiment Okpame don't use sentiment no bobo since ijo e ma carry we yo from the beginning ijo a hin plan a barrier for your mama to dey follow you wa bi you e ijo keke no gi wo we ijo keke no bi mo bo no bi dade wo bi no pia wo pa mo pia ni wo si mi Sharon we la wo go ijo e instead ona dey social media na we social media here na do mo e Sharon yo to owo wa Okpame di mo we because me ma bere kene oku na mo ye yo to edo egbi ye Sharon me na mi we egbe ni ye Sharon kere iya momo yo to o ti won no be bejon re o samede no be bejon oni iya wo kare mo ye yo to ni iya we mi wa bere o mo egbi ye Sharon Okpame that we all totally go we do my brother I use a sentiment you man time away my brother no matter what she's your sister my brother there's nothing like she's your sister here your sister will understand because we don't understand okay can you tie woman you ma tie woman you ma tie woman ona mwe ge a godmother na ma hen the UK ona we mi vision ona we kin ki vision kan gbango Sharon yo to we I mean we tawo we u mai se Okpame won bobo because without you iyu hin abo egbe na we hin era unda iyu egbe ba iyu hin abo egbe Okpame ni awe wala wo ni na make na mo Sharon yo to buda yo hin mo Sharon yo to ni make na mo Sharon yo to wala wo iya kado ere Sharon ne egbe bi one ta yuda egbe Okpame obi Okpame omo ni ye Sharon obie Okpame oye no wa oye iye Sharon no din o keke no te bu egbe re la ri na egbe wala wo wa iwe na wa we kere ni ayerin yo to re na make na mo tin yo to bo be no ri na ria ovie no aseti mo Sharon yo to nda egbe Sharon egbo Okpame wa e Sharon iya ma eherin so aseti mo Sharon yo to ni o wa e na wa ro bodan ye do enzo ge Sharon wa ge mimi ni ye Sharon wi ekoko iye no kwa kokko mo wa ge Sharon wa ge mimi e Sharon ya wo ma se tiri mosi ye mimi be no iwa ye ona komo no ye ba ya ona unze di yuna awo bi o kan ri le yo le awo eri ere yun to da emi proper care iye Sharon or sale ki ayu e we be de Sharon o ma ti gba ore mimi no wi o ijo rin e no dion abi ijo re nu po give awuda o pa me bi omo pa ne o ma se ti gba ore mimi iye Sharon re jo e o sale ki ayu e we be do ye no ye gbeji o ma se ti gba ore wa re mimi o ma se 1 month ni or 2 months ni ye miracle wu iye mimi ye mi she no wu wa re mimi we no ri ye iye no kwa gwe o wa re mimi wa owe to zedi mais il saga continue okay iziegbe na kedo ade e o yoma ere ne Sharon bi mimi ere abiziegbe wa ma emi iwi mi ari boy saga na agba agbi me bi e ka ti if you don't feel about what pattern to me zejo imi igagwo iye Sharon ya agwo Sharon di ne kino ye ya agwo here because enough is enough I will make be ya why because on our committee easy leave the family alone easy my the family what we can na hen na ya na aba nezi ko be ni Sharon wa yawo iye Sharon wa nezi here iye Sharon na we ba gbo we na we gbo a we onu me na ge gbo a iye Sharon ma se ti kokomo una na egbo omo nu we mu ade we bo egbo wo kan asawo ga gbe o ma ye school o ma be win na be dokpa Italy we imewe na gbon me mi abere edo owie eje na ya zo boleta iwe gbebede ni dogo wa dogo mo ni ye Sharon ne Sharon wusi aye o ni je wi yen gba ore wa go ye Sharon na kina no ye na mo na mi edigo no ye na mi omo na mi egboko omo na komo omo ije da wa wo ege Sharon na ara gbo ga mi o ye fian e Sharon wa wo na me de suki va be suki ha ye no ye Sharon ye no ije obije ije ma se ti gba ogo o ye Sharon breaking news in area do menuzomo I said to him Sharon you thought Sharon cannot be buried because they never do Sharon papa burial. They never bury Sharon papa. Okpame family say Sharon cannot be buried. That is why they are now preparing. They prepare Okpame. Okpame making now mudia. No making now do ya boy in our bury. Zebukbia. So a buy Sharon and walk Okbia. Okpame him. E buy Sharon and walk be a Sharon Okpame him. Ona na Okpame him. Okpame on agun. Owo mo. Owo Okpame ma se. Okpame ori ama negbe gisi kai ma negbe. Iwe seti mo seti we. Emi negbo ti o nekere. Ino Okpame ya de Sharon. Wa neje. Iye Sharon ni te iye Sharon we. Yon well. A commenter says okay with Taye Sharon, a fake account in him, say 100. Here Sharon, he have a fake account. Or walk by me, a Sharon. So, Mark can look by me, no way bury a hot you. But okay, can Ije no be Sharon, we bury a Sharon. How did you know? Okpame no see me e Sharon no wa see me kegbe iye Sharon Okpame o ma keke no we beria o what you any kebe buda we Okpame de Sharon but o keke ni ye Sharon we beria Sharon e bania e ye Sharon ri I peperepe e Okpame runta we agbamo rene egbe wi aseti imu e Sharon yoto e na man ka heria do no hi mu dia na he ya heria na Okpame agbono ga imi Okpame Area, no him Jana Yahweh, Okpame, or take a kid on Mudia, or take a kid of Buvi or Buvi area, because there's no her, no Pame, here, really good things. And we have a good things. In our Baba must very good things. Do you understand? Okpame, or we take a Kenya, or the boy, or the church, or no Jew. Odo in ado buegbe awe bebe yan o tin an kere no wada ye gbe yi na ni a make na mo yo to buda ma we bebe yan o si yan na we na ka mo yo to na ka we bebe yan ake mo yo to egbe ere ni ugmeso iku dokpa iwa do gbeso yan be musician or less than any mo yan be oni àwọn musician ugmeso speaker kekere DJ ayakwe version ni adowe egbewe ni ademila ni adewe emi ya fefefe na dele iya we ni adelo na make na we yin tore na make na ti mo sharon yo to ebi ote no but we no giye na ni iye sharon we pa me omo owo ese ka e ma ni gbe asobo ye gbe ne ona mesu mami ra asobo ye gbe ne ase na dana khane ase na dani aba gbe ne binanda aba gbe ne binanda aba gbe ne binanda ona se na we ina afe kota fun da iwe iye sharon o ye da wugejo na ko me ma ma e to egbe wu dano oko no ohu ano igo je ki a one of bati rejo ebelia o ma tun egbe ina e ko are bai we gbe do sizi la jare neje ina to ta wo be kazi wo kazi ye me na wa sizi ai ba ni una imu me na we gangan me ma te bi egbe yugo o ja gali re ya wa ne sharon no wa de oke na lubode ne ya wa za wa ti je we no de oke na lubode no wa we mi o bo mi o we ya wa we o kin ya so ya so yu hun je nda aso hun azama aso nya peace. So if you had to know some, that's the breaking news. Sharon cannot be buried because the father was not buried. Somebody, Sharon, elder brother of Mami, was supposed to stay in the position now to go meet his family members or cagbers, his younger, his elder brothers, his siblings, step brothers. Say, okay, me they do the papa burial. May they just do it for one night. May they forfeit bury his sister. From the beginning, Sharon mama say, Okpame, a senior son, say, not be better person. Say, not reach to bury a pikin. Now, he not reach to bury his sister. Now, she will be Sharon mama. Now, she will fit bury Sharon. So, that's the breaking news, my people. Okpame, ebon when here, because you will be every ojae. Need to make it now, okbia. I mean, I have okbia. I mean, I have okbia. Ni jwe ni tena we o mo okbia a do bomie we to zuwa to tu la se kwa na ma we ma de zuwa usu la se kwa nu ijo na we ye me gbi ro wo pa mi ijo na ye me gbe ana ye me he yu o e do emilia keke wo social media o pa me pon wo gbe nu your sister will understand o keke ni ju ni awe I mean na ya gbi okbia because mani webu my wala webo na we do no kpia kin I respect okpia okon okpia na bi okpia be na okpia ni odio wiji mewu o wiji meni mesini yo yin ga temi me ni igo keke wa bi akin na ya we bere me ma me ni metaro ite wa bon ye me o teme ni kebe we wo hi yin yo bo wo ta mi ni ya bere yin e do pa wo imu na wo ma sisu wo hin bury you wo be any problem we was any go we are bury but I need to total I need to if you we bible o gbe ano e ta wo si mi o ona bi o bon you we am seti we o tun ne kebe alagbode ki seti we yo hin awe yo hin bury you ina wo ma me ne ga gbe sasa lele igo ya ni igo ni bi ahia igo ni se ake was when baby you na ka wa you wa here wa dele ba you wa dele because what teme vun wa dele ba gi ba vun wa ya ana de mu ne pize inya ana dele ya e ma ni ga ro what me de we e so gbetiri wisi ba ni ake so bury you me dem de no to na you wo re ni immediately I can't say I'm you talking say as on barrier, but to turn out you American I will barrier or tell me how you go you or tell me how you die if you papa the name of you to say that the name of you to say. Oh, we men look me. Oh, way. Okay, can you shadow any away? Oh, be out there. Or where? Oh, Pame, you a warm or warmer or woman sandwich. You go usual near. Where here ben or you go we a mweswa you go we you are na me we you like musharon so wabena o we gbe amu ye mortuary do ga iwe gbe mu ajebe jo Emiliano we gbe do valo ya kano ya we suya ni o ya we suya No ya we suya le boyfriend oge. Iya gi seto. Iya ma seto. Emi no pa me, emi ni ye Sharon ye joy. Emi no wo pa me yo gba. Wani bi ani gi me na ni tan me. A wa iju wa ya. Iju wa so na wa we. Wa ma de capable, wa ma de competent enough. No wa ya we no so gba gbeze wo pe. How we no be we ekenu yo 20 kere iwe we umase no mo no we ne gbo 20 iwe do we la je won mo 20 kere yo to. Will you be happy as a man? As if that was not enough. Iwe la je social media also area when you are we uma ene gbe ige tu zuwa. Will you be happy as a man? Will you be happy with your mother? To even start with ezona ya karotone. Iye Sharon ige joy o mama ige ni abibi yako ke no bi agwa na o ke no ragbon o ma mege no ya sin yako gbe ni yako ka gbe no o ku li agbo iye Sharon abo wa mo ebo gbibi e ke na le e ke na giage mi wo na awe mo awibi o mo ebo gbo swing bodo mu gbibi e o ye Sharon abi gwa na awo wa la je wo ga kan odo wo wa mo ebo gbe mo no bi e o ko da. Here I where everything money can do it because here Sharon was after the 100,000 on me they go for me. So the go for me matter. Why Mama Sharon right can come out very early this morning? Why Mama Sharon not take care of Sharon? Where Sharon born? Now Mama Sharon want put her for Radio Emilia police head. Where be say na blood. Now say she distress herself, now blood enter her head. It not concern Radio Emilia. That's who egba, it not go ba. Because many people did for that Radio Emilia where we go testify. Yes. Since we were two we Sharon where we go. Ye Sharon, ye joy, ni ye Sharon. Wa ma mi. What's easy? Ya make a lawsuit to or it what it can see more. Nenemi mo gwe una yo bia be ya kun jo mo iwe bia a o no do mo mo easy ele borun mi ne easy odigin bia ne bi agbon no zagbon tin easy digin bia ne easy owa hama na mo si na wa gba easy na wa ona ri ele borun ona ya yin gbe u he na va ona yin gbo na bi omo Nizi ana do omomu. Ewe bo na do omomu a. Omo no ma adopt. O wa go wa do omomu. He has honored nazi momo is na momo get is pe Facebook give no. Ye Sharon wo ma si nu pe de no. Iye Sharon na do agbin na ye e page oge Facebook oge e Sharon the social media. I is pe phone ye agbin na ye. I was a penny na kwenye I nene bona we Sharon ga friend e be dioma when the Sharon wa mosese e Sharon na ha mo ye no dio o ye be bie na Sharon na ya friend e bo na ya ahwebo I je he as e pe awu jagboni I je he we Sharon o ha e Sharon na ya friend e bo de bo no kina e bo awu yo no hin wu rudigo ne bo mu ne Sharon mana bi ni jero Iye Sharon when the Sharon ye ni Sharon na wetin ya do wa oja bungbe yen se ti give your to wuji that's you yen se ti give your to e ye na wo ma mu go ni go ne bo mu ne o ma mu ni ye e beki e so big ade iye Sharon na ga o no enegbe iye Sharon o mo nu we mu la we bo ni Sharon mo se Bien ne Sharon mo se so mo nu we mu la we bo o ge ya afraid de oba eje wan be oni eje wan no igu ege mu no isogo very ne be isogo udigo ne ni go na we na agbin na yo unyi me nu gue e una we no we be gue owe bie ne we go bie okpia bie na adobo mi am go yo ho owe we na iga go egbin na we wa pa or you know where Agbashawo, where me. So my people, breaking news, Sharon cannot be buried. Book by me where I said to Sharon you talk, the Namana area, Oh, no. Iya ki gwale ke ni na yin opa me la o ndo opa me no yo so suppose no we na na ya unda yo ye no di onu pia yo ye no pia you understand you take ke no we but ye sharon we ayin pa me ye ba say na tani ni I said to my people papa kona yo mi o ge ta enjoy I said to mo sharon yo to ni o wa enu wa ro to na egbo pa me mo logbe ne we ere we mu de ya mo logbe ebi awe be to we me ke na ma na here adu amomo yo to ya we so kun ya ka ere ya ni aki mo to akin here na do ma no hin de be bi ba ya here abiti ye sharon o kin ya ti o kin ya ti Okpame iriebe okin yatiyan ni a okin yatiyan we wala wo wagume ere okpame iya no ewo tiyan no pe awo madam your wickedness the smell follow you to fear kwa gboko we be wickedness na we zie gbe kedo ade wickedness ana we zie gbe na zie gbe kian o ma bi zie gbe iyo salugba ere na bi mi che ere bi zie gbe na wa na hian ni je shamo wa bi ya he no bo me hian we no mana mi obi zie gbe wu no gbo ye you understand easy forget the matter ma forget the matter maybe your boy on it he me wa bi boy no he me ayin o because iye sharon on when na valley sharon na valley yawa wo social media you more like social media so what's the mimi e no kan sharon e to kan mimi e o salobo sharon obi mimi ye sharon obi sharon mimi o jo no je gboko iye mi na o wari so you na ya gbe mi go ho yu o e pa we ye go su we gbe Eban we go balo egbe o iye o eban wa go su gbe family no this one na family matter Mimi is among the family I brought that Mimi picture no wa bere de o hona he na gba orese ni je no kwa rejo e gba orese atana ibi edo no so na don't be the breaking news on tell na we na wa gbona I said to Sharon you to nda egbera we iya ma eherian ni amana eherian ni le va seva so therefore I said to be Sharon you to unless I can't hear him I can hear him na help pa mo ya te mutia but ye Sharon wo pa me on wa well ma gbon wo ma ni gbe omo no ma ni gbon mo ya e na do ye Sharon iwe ne na ni o de ticket lele ikinegbo ye ora ise do ora ise gbo ikinegbo pa meje obo ka gbo pa me wa domo baba wa domo o ka gbo pa me wa ya wa be ma wo wa domo la wo ero pa me ro pia ni bi elena ogba ni bi elena ni bi o pa me be Sharon ni wa la wo iwe ni do iwe beri are ase he amoyin va ni be gini negbe iwo we beri are otiyan we ma bien otiyan ubi okpia no bi okwu ne e ba ni yan na do ne ye Sharon we ilabe o meva o we bien na otima no kwo no ro e ba we atawo wo e ba we ti yan wo wo e ba we ti yan e ba we atami yan we omo nu bi eni yan omo ni yan bi enu nu gba ore nu bi eni yan iro wo wa we ege ni egbe ado no ni normally de ti ye Sharon de to me nwa de no na zuo na mo be gboto na owo na salo na de vewo de to ye nwa ya we o pa me o we ni na ya udigo money anxious ona ye udi ona o ye wona 100 million yo o 100 million ye gwa lo hu ye no wo Sharon ya go from me. I work by 100 million ni amu yiba. I will go na ya mo Sharon we ma say 10,000 euro. I work by 100,000 euro. I say we ma bury ye Sharon, we ma bury no ebu, we ma bury ye woko. E won ya ye leku egbe ya ye leku. O ma ke no ye da wo. We go ye Sharon ni Sharon. No win koko ni Sharon wo si ai we go ye Sharon. O ye na go mo na se ke na bi re. If you do no so. If you ma me say breaking news my people I said to Sharon, you talk, in my area. My people, I'm coming later. You don't tell me what. If you don't see any Sharon, you Sharon, managba, we Sharon, be able to what. If you don't see any Sharon, man, live any Sharon, on our year when we. Ya do tell later. Either you feel more boy, Salo Bonnie Rame. I want you born now. Okpame, Ebon, when okay, my brother. Here, what call you waiting when all one in the Asun Guni. Here, what call Okpame, my brother. Who was me phone, young? Who was me phone, young? Undaya Mati woman. A bayan and do woman. Yari Gualo when a bayan do woman. O magby. Ino go ba, ino go ba. Ino go ba, ino go ba. Oga, you quick call because I want to go work so. Me late in my way. After I thought I go late today. Ino go ba, ino go ba. Ino go ba, ino go ba. Oga, wait you. Now direct you go take call, Oga. Yeah? $688. I dey talk on that anywhere. Yeah, Sharon. When women are social media, yeah, you nice, baby, think back you. Women are social media, we are here away. Yeah, Sharon, it is yet when I will be Sharon, why you know your mom, we are you now, away, only my kind of workers. Only we ma we Sharon, or Mamma no ya Sharon, ye Sharon, Mamma no ya money Sharon. She never mourned Sharon. She was always on social media. Oh, yeah, that woo, ye Sharon now with social media, now with saga with a fake account. 6482. Iye Sharon, mama no here one day. So now the number be that one. If you want call, quick call now because I'll soon call the video. I want come out. But that means I thought say I'll late come work today. Maybe, you understand. So now you if you call direct, you cannot call on WhatsApp. That's the number there. Plus 43688 64824230. That's the number. You can call. Please call quick. Call quick when we are here. Me ma send on my wa maybe me ye Sharon there. Ina to eh. Iye Sharon ma to egbe. Okono ye da wo. Ona we saga. Ru da wi yen yo ba go boy agbogin yen o ye mistake ya gboge mu fuane. Ogboge bi ene ona agwa loge be ni habe na uda ima kokko yin se ebe ni emu Sharon la webo ebe izingbe la webo wa en de wi izingbe bi yogi gwe a ana emi weti izingbe na izingbe ya for your information one time where izingbe opomopa o ma pe no izingbe wa won bije eyan pa je bi izingbe won bije o pe azingbe sin you show okay. I'll go there. Don't go there. Is it my vision? O piazi gbesi mi zi gbo pomo pa wa. Un tan. Ni o pa lo de. Eyan pa ye bie. Yan e ve ye bie. U pomo pa. You understand? So, my people. Zari so you now we mo picture. Is it gbe na kedo re. Is it gbe e yo bi me awa muda witi me awa lige me ize ma be ye ni ye Sharon mo Sharon la jona we na do zan wa me ize lige ni me odo ye san kan ba o right o me ke no ga ise ado ari e bebo ge da do re wa ari e bebo re ni do tamo ni iwe ado si da do re no we ni ye tebe Sharon e yo kan ari me ize ya po lugo kete lo lugo no ya fu ni se ya fu no ro e de na we mo Sharon yo to ya saga be de bete. Because of any cake, you boy, I say, kind of one. In a way, la one ya your monobie. La one bow a general no wusian. Una wawa, one now, ye bebo. Give a na wenia. Uyan, uyona ya bok power. And na ni care you how. So, my people, see you guys later. Since the Americana or Matthew, I don't add the code 0043 Austria code na +43. +43 688 6482 4230. The code na +43. It's not going. Ojo. Owajo ije yati messing. Yati me no de. Owajo ije me. Oh, so back man. Wana lati me ne de ave no de. TV5 na yati me no de na. O se na you. Direct yati me. No ba me no. He may be in the same category. I had to know the directive. Book we pare. But a WhatsApp in a problem. My face there. I need to fix the WhatsApp. Don't mind you. Book we pa. Why when not ni yawe live video na ya finishing every live video. Or no ba me na gwalo. I'm everywhere. So my people, I'll be right back. I will turn in those yawa. You understand? I will turn in those yawa because Sharon always na more na here. I want I be ya born here. Me is a born baba. I'm a give me I'm a win me was away from me no. Anya. Oba me jina yita. Wanyanya. Nyanya. Go ahead ya. Adumadu body. Who were he if when I join you shall why if you when work by a moe. No work by a wee you me okay. Opiano Bielena. Vivian why are you by me? Ma ebe. Wow, I'm going to my people are can't tell now the reason. Why Mama Sharon not take care of Sharon? Where Sharon born? Where Sharon dey for Mama house? Where Mama not go cook for her? He not go do or move go for her? Where be say Sharon go wake up in the morning? He go back picking with the newborn. He go back and go supermarket, go buy bread, come they eat for us. So even when Sharon newborn, she was cooking. Even with that operation, Sharon not get strength. Mama have strength. They had to go obey police, Italian police also. When I get caught, when I get hospital, a lawyer will be nonsense. Come on, get out of here. Ojigo, who work by Sharon one yagwaligo. Who by Sharon one yagwaligo, ye Sharon. When I mean, I that you feel more, more, come on, body.